So we're at the trailhead here to Sand Run Falls. You have two forest gates. You saw the one farther down the road there, behind where we parked. And then you want this one that's farther up the hill. The other forest gate's next to like a little clearing in a little barn type building. So you'll know which one you got. And then you'll start off on a forest road like this here. So we're going to head down here, go across the clearing, and then once you're actually on the trail, it's actually a pretty easy trail to follow. So we'll get started. Here you can see that forest road that goes up to the left. That's another trail. We're gonna head straight across. And I don't know if I'd mentioned or not, we're taking the high water route today, 3.5 mile out and back. The main trail heads farther down the road, and that's about 7 miles. It's a 7-mile loop. But this is a really easy trail. Pretty well flat until you get to the actual falls. Ice cleats are highly recommended, and walking, poles aren't a bad idea either. But yeah, we'll follow these orange blazes. Right here's where we're gonna have our little creek crossing. I love the sound of the water bubbling down the little run under the snow. But I digress. Onward and upward. And we're here. This was a lot harder to cross the other day when I was up here. It wasn't near as much snow. You had to really hop from rock to rock. Look at that though. Isn't that cool? Yeah, definitely don't want to get it as close this week as we did the other week. I'm going to put some still shots in this video, I think, of the other week we were up here. It was only half frozen, so I think it was slightly better pictures. Well, let's go down there and check it out. Definitely a different perspective with the water going under the ice this time. Let's head on down there. And at this point, you're out of rope and on your own, but you're there. You using the rope? And this is the biggest fall at Sand Run Falls. Like I said, I'll put some still shots in from the other week. I think it was a little bit cooler when the water was flowing over top of the ice and not behind it. But this is an interesting perspective also. Let's take a walk around here. There's a neat camping site down here too, and one at the top. And it's a short enough hike in that you could pack hot dogs and drinks and, you know, some of the things you wouldn't have on a multi-day hike where you're after saving weight. This is a short enough trail you could bring a cooler with you. This is a lot nicer looking when it's not covered in snow. This is a beautiful area when it's thawed out too. Like I said, I think a lot of the snow is actually hiding some of the natural beauty of it. Where the ice cleats are nice, they just stick right in even frozen solid ice, even that smooth ice. That's all the farther we can go. It's a solid wall of ice back here. But you know you were as curious as I was to see what's back there. And I don't want to walk out over that, because that is a deep hole. And as you can tell by the water right there, the ice right there is not thick. So this is all the farther we go.